Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you how to install a dash camera on a Tesla Model X. So for the front camera, we are removing the camera cover, moving the truck all the way. The cable will run through here, will go back and close in the factory track. That way it looks nice and clean, you don't see any wires, you don't have to put any wires on the side. The cable to the back, in this case, we'll run it from the light here. Obviously it will go to the camera through here, but from the light we'll run straight out to the back. It will come out around this area, and then we go through the factory harness. We go into the back windshield. That way you don't have any problems with the doors, don't have any problems with any wiring visual. For the power in this vehicle, we remove the whole side trims in here, move all the way to the bottom, and on the bottom there's a constant power that you can take safely. You don't have to worry about draining the battery or anything, and that way you have the camera recording without any need to be powered by a separate battery or Power Magic Pro or anything else. You just run it from the vehicle battery and it will last, record 24/7. If you need more help with installing dash cams, can always come by Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.